Hello, kumusta ka?
Mabuti.
Mabuti. Hello, shout out? You want shout out?
Shout.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Okay.
You're a vlogger?
I am vlogger, yes. Yes, from UK. Knox Travels.
Only what content?
Travel and attractions and yeah, travel. Okay.
You want to go to Abra?
Abra?
Abra.
What is that? Ano ito?
National road and many very good views.
Very nice.
Yeah. Attraction.
This way?
This way.
Oh, I don't know. I would like to go to the falls up this way.
Falls?
Yeah.
Talipanan Falls.
This one, the one this way, yeah.
Talipanan Falls.
A guide for this?
Yeah.
Need a guide?
Now?
Yeah, now, Neong.
Yeah. Kuya Boyet.
Yeah.
Boyet, local Mangyan tour guide.
Yes.
Yeah. One.
Ikaw?
Yeah, ako.
BB.
BB.
Okay, so we got the another guide, a new guide. We're gonna Mangyan. You're Mangyan also?
Indigenous original
Yes.
people in Mindoro.
Very nice. I've had a look around the village.
O mamaya na parang tubig mo.
Too big. Ikaw? You want too big? Ikaw? Ikaw? Oh.
Water.
Maybe when I come back, I have buko.
Dalawa pare. 5 minutes lang.
I'll fill up on buko and a big busog. Salamat po. Salamat. Hello. And you make all your baskets here, yes?
All my tribe.
Oh, yeah. Everything's handmade, made by hand.
Made, and then very long time to finish. Very hard.
So something like this, how long would this take?
This one?
Yes.
8 days.
8 days? Oh my God.
Finish, yeah.
And Meccano for 8 days?
500,
500.
600.
So they're 600. So you might come here and think it's expensive, but it takes a whole week to make this.
Yeah. This one is 1 day.
1 day.
1 day to...
Just 1 day.
Yeah.
A whole day to make that. And
Only
Meccano.
hand. 50 peso.
50 pesos for 1 day's work. It's not expensive. Come on guys, come and buy it. There you go. Salamat po.
And this from a month.
Oh, 1 whole month.
3 months.
God, Meccano for that one.
For 5,000 or 6?
5,000, 6,000 for a whole month's work. That is in English money. We're looking £100, less than £100, £80 for 1 month's work. Yeah. Okay. Kumusta ka? Okay lang. Okay. Yes,
Yeah, my
the Mangyan school.
Yeah, tribe. Almost 200 people, kids to school in.
200 children.
Yeah.
And how old are the children in the school?
Well, 6, 7,
7.
6, 7,
Up
8.
to 7.
Yeah.
Higher?
Depends. Sometimes old. Sometimes
All age. They don't just go to White Beach after?
After the finish the elementary, going to the White Beach.
White Beach. Oh.
And I will show the natural oil for using medicine.
Okay.
This tree.
Natural medicine.
Knife and flow the juice, the oil, and drink it. For pain, headache.
Headache?
Yeah.
And What tree is this?
Barukan tree.
Barukan.
Barukan.
Barukan. Okay.
The first aid, the Mangyan tribe.
First, yes.
Herbal medicine.
Does it help cuts? Is it antiseptic like?
Yeah. Cut
Yeah.
and flow.
It
The white.
has a fruit. Fruit?
No,
Can you eat?
there's only seeds. Fruit.
Seeds. I see.
You know this flower?
I've seen it. What is the name?
Very effective to rash, skin problem. Some before skin problem is some very pain and wood.
Right.
It's nice before trap to only repair the skin problem.
Keep it healed.
Yeah.
Keep it covered.
Yeah, because the flower is the flower mix the oil, coconut oil. You know? In this one. In this very effective.
Oil.
Yeah. And the Mangyan, all Mangyan use it.
Rubbing.
Yeah.
Rub.
Rub in here.
Squash.
Yeah, squash. And use the oil, coconut oil. And then they have a skin problem, some skin problem. You
Put it over
you
the
tap,
top.
yeah.
Like a band-aid.
Yeah. Little natural.
Like a cream maybe.
Yeah.
Have a bridge.
In school for the Mangyan kids, 3 to 4 years old. 3 to 4 years
Very small.
Yeah, very small.
They
Baby.
first they start here.
Yeah.
3 to 4.
Yeah.
And then go to the other
Going
one.
to the big one school.
And in the school you teach English?
This here.
Here, yeah. Very good. See, even teach English here.
But I will learn English little bit to speak.
Yes.
Yeah, to try to face to other my friends. Yeah.
So you always try?
Yeah. But before,
That's good.
No.
You speak very good English. Your English is very good.
A little.
No, it's very good.
Little.
Very good. Are you no nosebleed yet?
Huh?
No nosebleed yet?
What?
Nosebleed.
Nosebleed?
Yeah.
Me?
English.
Ah.
Oh. You know nosebleed?
Nosebleed. Nosebleed is big, hard to speak.
Yes.
Hard to speak to nosebleed.
It's okay. If you don't know, if you don't know the word, say it in Tagalog, and my viewers will tell me. If you say it in Tagalog, yeah. I have lots of Filipino subscribers now, so they will understand.
Very long. Very long minute.
Very long?
Yeah.
This?
The video.
Yes, but I cut.
Cut.
Yeah.
And connect
Yeah.
the computer.
Yeah. Hi, magandang umaga. And how far is the walk to the, how far
At
kilometer?
15 to 20 minutes.
10 to 20 minutes. It's a big hike. Okay.
But no, you some rest.
Take a rest somewhere.
Rest.
Have a drink. And that's why I needed the water. Because now we're going into the jungle. You call this jungle or just mountain?
Mountain.
Yeah, not jungle.
They have they have sea view. 10
10
minutes from waterfall.
Okay. Sea view.
Sea view.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll be careful. Cool. He's yes. It's good it's not raining. Okay, we've done it. That was just a little hill. Oh,
I'm trying.
right.
I try, yeah.
Oh, you should do. You should. You should do a day in the life of Mangyan tribe. Day in the life.
Then I like the
Yeah.
Mangyan, all
Yeah.
many Mangyan community.
You
want to going? I will guide you.
Oh no, I haven't got no time. I'm here.
Tomorrow. If
2
you want.
days lang.
Yeah.
Oh
Tomorrow.
no.
Another.
No time.
Another community, but there is a waterfall near one.
I would really love to do that, but it's no time.
No time.
I get ferry at 10
10
in the morning.
tomorrow.
Yes. It's gone just one full day.
Today, you want?
No, I visit waterfalls today. I drive in scooter and look at waterfalls. The Salamatpo. So I wasn't sure how much things there was to do here, but he's saying there's lots for me to do. I should have took longer. I should have came here for 3-4 days maybe. It would have been better. But my time is limited. I'm in the Philippines for for 2 weeks. 2 weeks lang.
2 weeks in the Philippines.
Yeah, there's not much time. I cannot see everything.
It is so nice, the Philippines.
Very nice. The best thing is the people.
No?
Yes, very friendly.
Yeah. Because if you good to do to other people,
Yeah.
only back to good. Yeah.
That's why I try and talk Tagalog to show.
You honest. Yeah. You friendly, all friendly.
And I recommend that to anyone. Learn a few words in Tagalog, and people will be very friendly back to you. They can be quite shy. The Filipinos can be quite shy, but if you say "Magandang umaga," they will always say hello. And yeah.
In my tribe, mapiyak aldaw is good morning. Magandang araw, magandang umaga.
Araw.
Araw, magandang araw is araw.
Morning. Magandang araw.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's
Mapiya Kaaldaw.
that's Iraya.
Iraya tribe.
Iraya. So that's the Iraya language then. Magandang Irao. Oh. I forget your name. Hang on, Pangalan. I forgot. Pangalan, sorry. Pangalan, yes.
Pangalan ko?
Oh.
Boyet.
Boyet. I forget. Oi. Okay, Boyet. Go look at the crickets.
Huh?
Crickets.
Yeah. Little one, little fly. Very long. Very long.
You have firefly?
A little firefly. Like,
Fireflies?
yeah. Only this one in the firefly. And sound is dore dore. We call this dore dore.
Dore dore. Firefly. Oh, I've not seen a firefly before. Never.
This one is making the boat.
Oh, right.
Yeah, for the in the sea, in the river.
Yes.
Making the boat.
With the ones at the sides, the bamboo at the sides.
Yeah, on the side.
What's it called? The boat.
Parao.
Parao, the boat. I'll put a little picture so you can understand. Parao. Well, at least I'm getting my workout. I can lose a few pounds. Salamapo. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
No. To the top. Let's go to the top.
Very hot.
Yes, that's the hardest thing, the heat.
This one, I will show the natural oil producing light
Oh,
from the tribe. Yes.
okay. Natural oil.
You can pull, but you...
I stay here. I watch. Climbing. Natural oil. Ah, it takes out the sap.
That's up.
Oh, there's lots.
Yeah, go ahead.
Aye. Oh. Wow, there's loads. Waiting at.
You try to smell. It's good.
Oh yeah, it's kind of very citrusy, like lemon. Oh, oh wait. It reminds me of something you get in woodwork. Yeah, it's very not quite white spirit, but yeah, it's a smell you'll get from when you're painting and decorating. You're very much like that. Yeah, it smells nice.
The Mangyan tribe still used for survive at the night.
Oh, for a
Yeah.
torch.
Yep.
Ah, so you're gonna wrap with cloth,
Yeah.
and then wrap in that and burn.
Yeah. Yes, and then they have a big this one.
Yeah.
in
Oh,
this.
leaf.
Yeah, leaf in the vine, lap,
Yeah.
and some light. So going light at the dark in the way going to the mountain in the night or at home.
And how long would this last? How many hours? 1 hour?
Take that one.
This, yeah.
One whole night.
All night.
One whole night.
Okay.
One night, whole night.
Wow, so that's good. And you could collect that from
Yeah.
one day
One day to
to collect?
no, only 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
It's easy.
Oh,
There's lots and
yeah.
lots.
Easy.
Wow.
But it's okay to bring.
Ah,
It's okay to terminal or passport because it's natural.
yeah, you cannot take diseases. I see.
So have many,
Oh, very good. You keep that now?
Yeah.
Do not waste. Do not waste it. We're not throw. No, not me. You keep it. Maybe use it as a night light. Oh, this is lovely. I'm learning lots of things I didn't know I would learn. Didn't expect to learn. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Could almost be in the foothills of Mount Tibidabo. Tibidabo. Come on, give me a comment if you recognise that that reference there. Up and down. Oh, chappy collecting bamboo. Oh, let's go past. Nah, ingat. Oh, see, this is exactly why you need a guide, because you would never find it yourself. there is a lot of obvious path, and then there's pieces like this that you wouldn't know is the path.
Sometimes they have a monkey, sometimes
Monkey?
yeah, sometimes they have monkey play.
Ah.
The jungle vines, trees, jungle trees.
Ah.
And they have a white cat, you know white cat?
Oh, wildcat.
Yeah,
What wildcat? Just
it's a black,
ah.
but the same cat in the forest. In the
Ah.
jungle. At the night, too many.
How big is the wildcat?
Only similar cat.
Like small cat,
Yeah.
like domestic.
Yeah, similar cat.
It's okay.
But the water now is not too,
Very small.
not too big flow.
In the rainy season, this is all
Everything
covered
here,
up here. Ah, comes all the way up there. And these rocks from typhoons, they come down.
Yeah.
Rocks. Ah.
They natural.
Not always here?
Yeah. Too big.
Ah. Very nice. Okay, shall we go? Let's do it. Let's keep moving. Yeah, that rest was needed. Only a 5-minute rest, but
Talipanan Falls, you been here?
no, first time.
First time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you want to me, I will guide you. Today if you want.
Tomorrow. Is that?
Tomorrow is because you
Yeah, I go. Yeah.
Today if you want. Because in the tomorrow is only 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
Where is Tamarau?
Another side.
It's all the way around there. Is that the one where you get carabao ride?
So far.
Ah.
Carabao ride.
Yeah.
Talipanan Falls so far. You try? You want to try?
I don't want to go carabao. I want to see the waterfalls.
If you want to see, I will guide you, but because
Uy.
I have a motor.
You have a motorbike also?
Yeah, motorbike.
Magkano?
Ang pupunta dun.
Waterfalls, anywhere.
Anywhere, 1,500.
How much?
1,500.
1,500, all waterfalls.
All waterfalls.
How many?
Viewing.
How many?
Waterfalls,
This one?
secret beach, combination to the water, river, sea water and river water, combinate.
Okay.
If you some like here and here.
Ah, they don't mix.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, I know.
Secret tourist attraction.
Oh, okay.
And then Molly Bay,
Molly Bay.
yeah. And then Virgin Islands
Okay.
and Tamaroa Falls.
Tamara Falls. Okay, and this one, this way?
And this one is Kamurong
Uh
River.
huh.
It's a community Mangyan
Yeah.
and river.
Okay, 1,500.
Yeah.
All day.
All trip.
Trip.
Yeah.
How long? 3 hours?
Depend,
4
because-
hours?
Because you time, use
Slow.
relax,
Yeah.
a picture and history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, 1,500. Okay. I didn't expect that.
Today.
Yeah, today. Yeah.
After the waterfalls.
Yeah.
And they have a viewing restaurant.
Doing restaurant.
Yeah. They have.
And we eat.
Yeah. Before going.
Get some energy.
Huh?
Energy.
Energy.
Strong.
Strong.
I learnt strong the other day. I've forgotten it. Ooh. Right, so something I didn't expect. Get a guide to the waterfalls. I was going to just get on my scooter and drive around, but this chap is very knowledgeable. He knows exactly what he's talking about. So I think I'd have a good time finding places, finding much more with him. Ooh. Just finding footing. Okay. Oh, look at this, beautiful.
Yeah.
Swimming?
Swimming. You want to swim?
No.
And they have a shrimps and little fish, no so big. Only
Little fish.
one.
Are they the ones that bite?
Round.
Bite the feet?
The fish?
Yeah.
No.
Ah. They don't eat the skin, like nibble.
No, no,
Not that fish.
no. Fish is wild. No.
Ah. Okay. Ah, got it.
You can climb.
Oh, it's gonna see me climbing. It's like Batman. Oh, oh. I think he's trying to get me to fall. Salamat po. Okay.
I will surprise. I will show the footprint in the marble stone.
Footprint?
Marble stone.
Oh. What, from ancient times? Old?
Footprint in the big pit.
Ah. Ooh. Oh. Is that a shoe or foot? Yeah, footprint. It's quite big. Do I fit? Let me see. Oh!
Yeah.
Much bigger.
This one is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
This one is here, and this one is here. Deep.
Yeah.
Yep. And this the taco.
So I guess that's 12, 13. So the person this, maybe 6'3", 6'4". Oh, very big. Very big. Oh. Back down. Salamat. Oh, yeah. Wow. And this was from Mangyan?
No.
No?
Like a majestic.
Oh,
Before
ancient.
the old is yeah. Before coming, the old said the old people here,
Yeah.
the Mangyan tribe, old. They said they have a footprint.
Yeah.
Look like a majestic.
Oh.
Because this tree is is the living in the ghost. You know ghost, some encant in the nature.
Ah, like,
Yep.
oh, I see.
You know,
So,
encantanja.
almost spiritual kind of
Yeah.
thing, yeah. Oh, very good.
Baliti.
It's almost like a avatar,
You know.
like an avatar person.
You know capre.
Capre, no.
You know capre.
No.
The capre is some encant, but not normal in the people. But sometimes looking like you want to third eye.
Ah,
Looking encant is like a gorilla, big,
all right, yeah.
bigger,
Like Bigfoot.
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot,
Yeah,
Yeti.
Yeah,
Ah,
and the black, all
aye.
black, and they have like a red, like red torch, red torch,
Ah,
like a
teeth,
fire,
fangs.
like in the mouth, like a
Ah.
little fire.
Wow.
At the night. Yeah, really.
No photos?
I not because you afraid. if
Afraid
you
you'll run away.
Yeah.
Ah.
But I experienced.
You sin?
Yeah, I experienced. I'm young. Not improve in the village. No good houses in the village.
Yeah.
Very small houses
Yeah.
and one Tagalog house. Here they have a television.
Uh-huh.
And my uncle or my cousin they watch. And midnight.
Yeah.
In the midnight.
Come out.
In the evening of the midnight, and I young, I try, but I go home, and I will go home. I going to the spring water beside the rocks. They have a spring water, and they have a way. I will walk,
Yeah.
but it's okay, but I will look bigger in the seat, big, bigger. Over, and then they have a fire in the mouth.
Oh.
But I try to talk.
Uh-huh.
No speaking.
Ah.
But too big, very big.
Did it run away? Was it you run away?
I back and I will tell the
You very scared?
Kasi yeah, so very scared because a big,
Yeah.
bigger like
Oh.
bigger, like a monkey, gorilla.
Yeah, like gorilla.
Bigger, yeah. They have a fire in the torch.
Yeah. So throughout the world you get to hear tales of this sort of thing. The Bigfoot, the Yeti, and now the what was the name again?
Capre.
Capre. Apre in the Philippines. First time I've heard of this, but yeah, local legend. And seen modern day. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, my experience in my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When he was a small boy.
I'm young.
Oh, this is beautiful, isn't it? Ooh. Oh. Ow, ow. Oh. Okay. Here we go. We've made it.
Yeah.
Ah. Manalo. Oh, lovely. Maybe 10 foot, 12? No, more than that. 15?
Yeah.
15 foot? Ah, beautiful. Is it cold? Is it cold?
Huh?
Is it cold? Okay. Oh, hopefully no biting fish in here. Oh, it's a little cold, but nice. Oh no. Oh, it's cold. Oh. This is the hard bit. You can guess where I've got up to. Slowly. I don't think I can go any more. It's cold. Malamig. Malamig. Oh, that's very deep. That's very deep. I cannot go further. that goes down. Oh. Cool off. Hey. He swim. I can't get. Oh, it goes up higher. Oh, very nice. Oh, now I want to do it. Malamig. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, so there we go. Secluded. You'll see maybe some of the other waterfalls we go to. There are going to be more tourists around. But this one, you need to get to the Mangyan village, which is not very publicised, and then get yourself a guide to come up here. Take your 10-15 minute hike up to the waterfalls. Beautiful.
Lakol.
Lakol?
Yeah.
Ano lakol?
Ano lakol?
Ano lakol?
Ano lakol?
Lakol. I don't know lakol.
Expression. Expression lakol.
Lakol.
And Mangyan expression.
Like amazing, beautiful? No?
Yeah.
Good?
Wow.
Wow.
Laki.
Lakol. So you climb hill. Oh, lakol. Yeah. Like that. I see. Yeah. So Dale Philip would go up, yeah. Loco. You know Dale Philip? Dale Philip on YouTube? No?
Yeah.
Up, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to turn you off for the walk back. We've had a video coming up and there's lots more to see. So I'm going to put you away because we're going to go downhill. Might be a little bit slippy, so we'll see you maybe when we get to the bottom. There we go. I had an amazing time there at the Mangyan tribe village. I didn't expect to go on the waterfall guide, but that was fantastic. That cost 300. It was 300 to get a tour around the village, and then I bought some items along the way. I do want to say at the end of this video that the Mangyan tribe do rely on people coming and buying things from them. They're very self-sufficient, but to get extra money to buy meats and rice, they do need help from tourists who come. So buying stuff along the way, as you see, I got a nice chains. Doesn't cost much, so if you can go down there and help support them when you're there, they'll be so appreciative of it. I know it's hard to not buy from everyone, but just buying from a few people would be fantastic. Take 1,000 with you that you're going to spend on gifts for people, maybe 1,000, 2,000, and they'll be over the moon with that. So yeah, have I gone the right way? Yes. Okay, so that's the end of my Mangyan tribe or Mangyan village video. I hope you enjoyed this. Something different that tourists don't normally do. It's not on the general tourist map when you get into Porto Galera. So yeah, had a lovely time. Really wonderful look around the Mangyan tribe. Very good. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one when we're going to go off looking for waterfalls. My guide from the Mangyan village has taken me now all around Porto Galera, and we're going to go search for some things. I don't know, he's got an idea of where to take me, so let's go.